This stagnant water pollutes the heart of Rome. It will be drained, and the land returned to the people.
Move faster, dogs! The legions wait for no man! Heave! Watch the drop zone below!
Push those empties out of the way, keep the line moving!
We need more rakes down here.
Heave it up, slowly now.
Watch your feet!
We need more mix over here.
По западам, но в мгонаста профилната гиганти, и тапат самас на татфлас, нима фумин пропасат великий синнаод.
Pull! Pull! It's settling! We did it! Have! Ho! Ho!
Steady, men. Bring it down gently.
Let the games begin. Today, we witness history.
Pull them closer, men!
2,000 years later, the secret recipe of volcanic ash and lime holds incredibly strong. The empty, jagged holes in the stone are the permanent scars left by medieval scavengers, desperate for the iron clamps hidden inside.
The cages that once held ferocious African lions are completely gone. Today, the labyrinth belongs...
The massive red canvas roof is a distant memory. The ancient stones now endure.
The building was only saved from total destruction when the Pope declared it a sacred site, honoring the blood spilled on the sand.
Millions walk these vaulted corridors every year, trying to feel a physical connection to an empire that vanished a millennium ago. Stripped of its wooden floor, the exposed mechanical heart of the arena looks like a complex maze, completely exposed to the sun.
The ghosts of the crowd are still here. Tiny, scratched graffiti on the surviving marble reveal.
The flawless mathematics of the Roman arch ensured that even broken in half, the building refuses to fall.
It stands as the ultimate anchor of Rome, watching emperors, kings, and modern republics rise and fall around its massive foot. We can never truly go back, but we can use technology to hear the echoes of the hammer, the saw, and the cheering.
The Flavian Amphitheatre, a terrifying masterpiece of blood and engineering, and an eternal testament to Roman genius.
From an artificial sea to a mountain of white stone. So,
if you want to use AI to uncover the incredible true history behind the world's greatest structures, hit the subscribe button.
you've been listening to Resto Whispers.
History, rebuilt through sound.
Thanks for watching. Keep exploring the past, and I'll see you in the next era.